Hey, how's it going? So I'm going to be going over integer operations involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, what are integers? Integers are just whole numbers that include negatives, alright? Okay, so let's go over addition first. So let's say I had -3 plus -4. Okay, so think of this as I'm just adding two negatives together. So of course, my sign will still be negative, and my negative is going to get larger in terms of the numbers. So -7. All right. So let's say I had two different signs. So -3 plus 5. In this case, the larger number, that's what the answer is going to be as far as negative or positive. So my highest number is a 5. So my sign is going to be positive. So, and then I'll just look at the difference between the two numbers. So 3 and 5, the difference is 2. So my answer is going to be a positive 2. Let's look at that again. So 5 plus -12. So again, I'm looking at the highest number, not the largest, but the highest number. So 12 is higher than 5, so my answer will be a negative, alright? And then I look at the difference between 12 and 5, the difference is 7, so my answer is -7. Now let's look at subtraction. So let's say, for subtraction, let's say you had a negative, you're subtracting a negative away. That's the same as adding. So for example, let's say I had 3 minus -5. Alright, so think of this as I'm subtracting, you're taking away, so I'm taking the loss away from 3, so I'm adding. So 3 plus 5, which is 8. So anytime you see subtraction followed by a negative, just think of it as addition. So 3 plus 5 equals 8, right? Let's look at that again. -4 minus -4. So taking a loss away. So -4 plus 4 is 0. Let's look at another one. -5 minus 4 equals. So you can think of this as kind of two negatives, even though this is subtraction. So -5, -4. So they're both the same sign, so it's just going to be a higher negative, so -9. Right. Let's look at, let's go into multiplication next. So for multiplication, if they have the same sign, it's going to be positive. If they have different signs, it will be negative. So for example, -4 times -3. Alright, this is going to be 12. It's going to be positive because they have the same sign. Kind of like, let's say, with non-integers, 3 times 5 equals 15, right? Of course, we all know that. Let's go into 8 times -4, which is, since they have different signs, it's going to be a negative. So it'll also be -32. Alright, so same signs, your answer will be a positive. Different signs, negative here, positive here, your answer will be a negative. Alright, so let's go into division next. So with division, it's the same thing. The quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. If they have different signs, it'll be negative. So 12 divided by negative 6 equals negative 2. Alright? Because different signs, negative. Alright? Let's say, same thing, negative 12 divided by negative 6. Same sign, my answer will be positive, so it's going to be 2. Alright? Let's look at one more, negative 18 divided by 3. Answer is going to be negative 6, because I have different signs again. So, different signs, you're going to get a negative. The same sign, even if there are two negatives, you're going to get a positive. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.